korte o dito mahitabo ang gagawin. Kung sa ang kamangungkol sa Diyos sa hinabuhi nila James sa Iran.
Order in the court.
Police officer, is it true that you got Arnold Holly holding a Bible and preaching it to our countrymen?
Yes,
Can you point Arnold Holly in this court?
yes, there it is.
Police officer, is it true also that you found a Bible in his bag of the following Filipinos? Joy Castro, James Watson, John Reyes, Jeff Velez, and Chris Gomez?
Yes,
Can you point them in this court?
yes, there they are.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is there any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Break.
Sorry, there is nothing we can do. The judge will make the decision. So just pray.
Order in the court. Based on the evidences and statement of the witness, this court finds Armand Duhal, Joy Castro, James Watson, John Reyes, Jeff Velez, and Chris Gomez guilty of the following violation: threat to the Islamic Republic and its regime and acting against national security. They are sentenced to 10-year imprisonment. Case closed.
Napulog na kami! Ha? Chris! John! Hindi ko manawalayin! Wala ko na ikibuhat ka daw tayo! Anong ginagawa mo na nila?
Ano? Tabangin mo. Pagbasahin mo kung saan mong pangalan sa President. Tabangin mo.
Saling sige mo mas. Hiwaan ang taong kagawas. Lagi apoy makapugong sa katuyuan sa Diyos. Diba? Mga sundalo na ni Kristo. Joy, Chris! Mga sundalo na ni Kristo.
Pero Diyos, sundalo sa Kristo, Diyos.
Tama si John! Mga sundalo na ni Cristo, di ba? Mga sundalo